Hello, today I'd like to show you our EDI connector for ABBYY Vantage. And what this EDI connector will do, it will give us the ability to take an incoming document, in this case an invoice, and produce an EDI 810 formatted file. So a document's going to come in through a sample site that we have built. We're going to extract the invoice details. We're going to create that EDI 810 file, and then we'll produce that here for us to look at through the output stage. So what I have here is just a very common invoice. We have some header information, we have some line items, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and upload that to ABBYY Vantage. Just going to go ahead and upload a document, and we're going to go ahead and select our skill. And what's going to happen here is the software is going to take that document in, it's going to extract the details, and then it's going to produce that EDI file. Okay, that file is now been fully processed, and I just got my EDI file for it, and I'll share that with you here on the screen. And what you'll see here is I have my header information as described in the 810 requirement, and then of course we have line item details also described here as well. So what we can do with that file, we can be very creative. We can call it external systems, we can put it on a file directory to be consumed by another third party. But the secret sauce here is that we have that EDI format and can utilize that in our downstream steps.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, would you do me a favor and click the like button, the subscribe button, and even click that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.